Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, Umselebu posted this picture of himself where he is looking quite smart, quite dapper, and he captioned the picture, "Life is too short to make it difficult to enjoy." Angazi ke, he knows what he means. I mean, he's the one who put up the caption, but there's a comment on that post that just took me out. This person said, "Mselebu, awubayeke uMangwabe noMayeni bahambe kodwa bashiye imoto zakho eMzumbe." Guys, I laughed at this because I'm just like, imoto, like, I'm sure those cars are even like, how many years ago is that, you guys? But this just made me laugh because this person is kind of saying, Butu Musa has done so many things for these women. If they want to leave, let them leave, but they must leave Umusa's things behind. Some people feeling that Umayeni, Benomangwabe don't really love Unopuzana, Umselebu. They were just always there for the money. They loved him for the money. I just think, guys, people react differently. I don't think, because there's some people who are saying the reason why Umayeni is behaving, Benumangwabe are behaving that way, ushukuthi bayamthanda kakhulu Umselegu, and that's why they're behaving like that. I just think uyangomuntu, guys, as a person, we're different and we react differently to things. And not only that, all of us, guys, we've got our with the turning points or what, our deal breakers. Like there's a point where you will get to in life where you just feel like enough is enough and I've just got to put myself first. I don't think any of these wives don't love this man, guys. How many years have they been with Umselebu? So I just refuse to believe that there was no love shared, or that he never loved, or that any of these wives never loved him. The only thing that I don't like about is Tembu, you guys, or at least about how Umusa thinks is Tembu Sake. Umusa doesn't seem like the guy who believes in divorce. So meaning that he would rather ahlale nomfazi, even though he does not love her in that way, in that romantic way anymore. He would rather stay with her than divorce her because he's thinking who else would marry that person. I know to some people, guys, it's like, I mean, that is being thoughtful. But for me personally, I feel like it's not being thoughtful. I feel like ubambezela umuntu. Because personally, I would rather a person tell me, yazini, we've tried in every way. We've tried in every way to make this thing work, and I feel like it's not working anymore. And I feel like I'm ready to walk away from this partnership. I feel like I prefer a person telling me that so that I can, make some means to move on with my life. But a person who's there, they're not saying anything about not being into you or the relationship not working. They're just there. Guys, I don't know. Maybe some people they fine with just living with a man for the rest of their lives, even though but just staying there. Guys, life is too short for you to be. No, I'm sorry. So that's the only thing that I feel like what men like about who believe in these things is that you will think ukuthi umuntu is still into you because uhleli lana. Kanti no, this person is no longer into you. They just keeping you there for the sake of, because they don't want, because batabangela wena. And you are stuck in this situation because you are refusing to read in between the lines. And I think that's where Umangwabe is. I feel like she believes she is reading in between the lines. If a man can say those things about you to the whole South Africa, then that means the love is no longer there the way it was there. And maybe that's why she feels that I can't be with a man who doesn't respect me. Maybe that's the same thing. No, Maya and she can see like it's no longer the same. He doesn't respect me. He raises his voice when he's speaking to me. That means there's no longer love. And let me rather leave. But except to Miami, she's not saying what she's leaving. She's acting in ways as if she's leaving, but she's not actually saying the words. So at this point, I just feel like Umusa akabakhulule, abafuna ukuhamba, abahambe bandla. Because indeed, life is too short for you to be staying in a situation where you feel like uyahlukumezeka. He must khulula them, abahambe. If Umusa feels indeed ukuthi relationship nomangwabe, relationship yabo, indeed it's not working, he must stop lying to them and trying to keep them, because I feel like he's trying to keep them for the wrong reasons, just so that he can look like he's a man who has kept all of his wives. But are they really happy? Angazi. I don't know, guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.